peeks through the window pane. This tender calm I wish to remain. Sugar dissolves like worries at bay, stirring dreams in a porcelain sway. Outside the rush, but I'm in no race. Time moves softer in the sacred space. Whispered moments in the air, a stolen second free of care. The sun peeks through the window pane. This tender calm I wish to remain. The clatter of porcelain breaks the spell, but still the quiet begins to dwell. Voices hum in distant swirls, a little symphony of the world. Whispered moments in the air, a stolen second free of care. The sun peeks through the window pane. This tender calm I wish to remain. Coffee swirls and stories blend. Outside clouds begin to bend. Time feels soft like a woven thread. No more worries in my head. In this window of time, I breathe, I smile and whine. Let the world stay behind. In this window of time. The breeze is slow, the pages light. My heart is clear, the day feels right. No need for plans, no need to rush. Just gentle sounds and gentle hush. In this window of time, I breathe, I smile and whine. Let the world stay behind. In this window of time, clouds in my coffee fade away. I'm here, I'm home, I'm okay. I see the sunrise through